Hey guys, welcome. I'm Parshvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Today's video is another requested video is about how to convert the PNG file into the SVG files. Now there are so many softwares you can use it. You can use Inkscape, Illustrator, Photopea, like a bunch of software, whichever one you would like to use. Also, there are some free softwares out there which actually convert the PNG into the SVG if you actually search on Google. But I'm gonna show you how to use the Inkscape because I find the Inkscape is pretty easy and simple. It's a free software. You just need to download it once and then you can use it. You don't even need internet connection, so that's also great, and it's free forever. So let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up. Do consider subscribing for more such videos. We have a lot of the products, the free products and the paid products. The links are in description if you're interested in selling your work on the different print-on-demand platforms, Zazzle, Teepublic, Display, all the links of these courses, workbooks, planners. I have so much there, guys, to help you make money, talking about the different platforms, how you can do it based on my experience and knowledge so far. The links are in description. You can very well check it out. Otherwise, you can check out my Gumroad shop as Globo Arte to know more about it. Okay, guys, before going into the main video about showing and how to do that, but I just want to talk to you, like last 3 videos I made a little bit different than I used to make it. If you like those videos, please guys let me know what do you think. If you want that kind of videos about talking about my own experience with my own business, how I did it, and also sharing some tips about social media stuffs, about YouTube kind of like stuff, or print on demand kind of like stuff, let me know in the comment section below if you like those videos and if you want more kind of like videos. Also, if you want more videos like how to manifest your business, your dream business, money, whatever, let me know, guys, because those 3 videos were kind of like very different from the normal videos that I make on this channel. If you haven't check out those videos. I'm gonna leave in the card section above. Make sure you check it out and let me know. But anyways, let's dive into my laptop and I'm gonna show you how to convert the PNG into the SVG files. Now for this purpose I'm using Inkscape. You can literally use Illustrator, Photopea, like there are so many softwares out there. You can use any of these, but I feel like Inkscape is very simple, free software, and you don't need an internet connection. You just need to download the software and you can use it. Okay, so just open your Inkscape and it's a new document over here. So I'll just gonna import the file, the PNG. I'm gonna import my art. Obviously you can open up your own work over here. So I'm gonna click over to the open, select this candle. Now this is a digital art I make. It's a PNG file. So when you click open, it's gonna ask you need to embed or you need to link from file. Just let it be whatever its default and just simply click OK. So here we are, the file is there. Now I'm just gonna zoom it out to see if it's going outside this square box. One thing you need to keep in mind, your art needs to be in this square box or square canvas, whatever you call it. If it's not coming, then actually minimize your file. Like you can select your file like this and then you can minimize it. Okay, so I think we don't need to do over here because it's already coming in the canvas. So I'll just gonna select this one. You need to select the file of your art and then go to the option path, and in the path there is one option over here, which is the trace bitmap. Now I already have this option over here on the right hand side. If you don't have the option, you can go to the path and you can select the trace bitmap option from there. Once you see over here, this is the option of trace bitmap. Now depending on the colors, now one thing you need to keep in mind when you're converting PNG from SVG, if it's a black, then you don't need to make it colorful, but if it's a colorful PNG file, then obviously you want it to be colorful. So for that you need to use the multicolor option, and from here drop down menu you get the different options. You can select the colors, grays, auto trace. So it depends on you. You can change the color, you can choose the gray, like there is so much you can do over here. And that's what I like. So I'm gonna select colors because I want the colors over here. Okay, now you can see the color on the right hand side. You can see over here the preview file. If you see that everything is perfect the way it's there in the art, just go forward with that. And if you see that there's something distortion, then you can update the preview. So you can see a little bit distortion I've seen over here. So what I'm going to do is you get the different options over here for the scans. You can select the smooth, remove background, stack. So I'm going to select the option remove background because I don't want the background. Okay, and you can select the details like speckles, smooth corners, optimize. Like you can do a lot of the options over here, and you can see which one is working for you. Like I'm trying different things over here, and based on that I feel like I can update my work over here. I can optimize it, or I can do the different options. I can also select the smooth from here, but still I feel like there's a little bit distortion over here, but it's there because of the PNG file that I'm actually scanning, that I'm using. It also has a little bit distortion, like it's not that clear because I made this digital art using a watercolor brush. So that's why this distortion is there. If you're okay with that, you can proceed. If you're not okay, then you can adjust the different things that the Inkscape is giving you over here. So I can adjust with that, I can play with them, and I see what's working. Okay, once you're done with that, you can simply click over to the option apply, and it's gonna be automatically applied over here. Just wait for a few seconds, and it will going to convert your PNG to the SVG. Now it depends what kind of file you have for the PNG. If it's a black color, it's not going to take that much of the time, but if it has a different colors, different layers, different textures, and all that stuff is there, and it's going to take a little bit few seconds. And once it's done, you're going to see that your file is ready. Your file is ready. Now obviously you can just select this file over here. It's ready. And you can see there are the two files in this. Like this is the one file. You can automatically see the two files in your one file option, and you can see how it's looking like. So we have already converted PNG into the really complex image or art. So it depends, okay, but you can experiment with that. Now I'm gonna go to the option undo, so that this actually goes to its position that it needs to be there. Okay, it goes back to its position. Of course you can drag and do that, but I select the undo, so I don't need to do that. It's automatically going to go to its position. And then what you have to do is export, not import. Sometimes I do import and it's like, no, it should be export. Or you can click over to the option save. There is no export option. Okay, we have clicked over to the option save. So here we got this particular option. Now you can actually name your file whatever you want to name it, and you can select you have the different options over here for the SVG, because Inkscape is giving you a lot more options. I'm gonna select the Inkscape SVG, and you can name your file and then simply click save, and boom, we have converted PNG to the SVG. Very simple, very easy, and literally anybody can do it. Just go to the Inkscape website and download the software completely for free, and you don't need an internet connection to use the software. Just download on your laptop, on your PC, and then you can use it. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Your questions and queries as usual are welcome. Let me know guys what kind of videos you would like to watch on this channel. If you like those 3 videos that I made recently, let me know if you want that kind of video or tutorials, whatever guys. I love to make it and I love to help you. So your questions, queries and comments as usual welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you the next time. Till then, take care. Bye guys.